नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हंसा और मैं आ गई हूँ अगले हफ्ते का वीकली प्रेडिक्शंस लेके। दिस इज़ अ पाइसेस मंथ एंड पाइसेस यानी फिशेस एंड फिशेस के डायरेक्शंस होते हैं उल्टे। तो आपका डायरेक्शन कौन सी तरफ जा रहा है यही मैं बताऊंगी इस हफ्ते के लिए, जो मैं कि करती हूँ सन मून और राइजिंग के साथ में। And we'll see how this week pans out for all my lovely Pisces, because it's my favorite month, because it's my birthday next week. So let's begin the reading and see how this lovely week of March that's beginning, because the reading is from the 28th of February to the 6th of March. तो देखते हैं क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स हमारे आप सबके लिए through your sun, moon and rising. एरीज यानी कि मेष राशि, क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए, देखते हैं। वाह, आपके लिए तो पहला कार्ड सन का आया है। सन का मतलब है कि आप इस हफ्ते बहुत ही हाई एनर्जी में रहने वाले हैं। कोई अच्छी खुशखबरी भी आने वाली है आपकी ज़िंदगी में, क्योंकि सन का कार्ड जब भी आता है इट्स ऑल अबाउट अ न्यू बिग हैपनिंग्स इन द लाइफ, एंड दैट्स व्हाट द टैरो कार्ड ऑफ द सन सेज फॉर यू। यू विल बी मोर ऑफ अ चाइल्ड लाइक ऑल्सो, एंड यू विल लाइक टू कनेक्ट विद योर चिल्ड्रन। दैट्स ऑल्सो the thing in this. Second card आपके लिए है the Ten of Cups, which is again a family card. So you are going to be with the family and enjoy this whole bonhomie that you have this week for you. तो आप अपने घर परिवार के साथ कहीं जाने के लिए प्लान भी बना सकते हैं या उनके साथ कुछ वक्त गुजारने की कोशिश करेंगे। That's what the tarot cards have to say. And the third card is the Fool, which is like a new beginning. So आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ एक नई शुरुआत, नई बिगनिंग करना चाह रहे हैं, जो कि कह रहे हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए इस हफ्ते, which is a very very good, very nice. and प्रॉब्ली अगर आपके मन में कहीं ख्याल है घर शिफ्ट करने के लिए भी, तो वो भी प्लान हो सकता है। इट्स ऑल अबाउट द न्यू एनर्जी, न्यू बिगनिंग एंड हैप्पी बिगनिंग्स एब्सोल्युटली दिस वीक फॉर ऑल यू मेष राशि एरीज। एंड हमेशा की तरह से मैं लेकर आई हूँ एंजल कार्ड्स। दिस वाले हीलिंग कार्ड्स है, तो लेट्स से व्हाट द हीलिंग कार्ड्स हैव टू से फॉर माय मेष राशि। आपके लिए कार्ड आता है सेल्फ लव, विच इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल कार्ड। सेल्फ लव का मतलब यही है कि हम खुद से प्यार करें, क्योंकि मेरा मानना है जब मैं खुद से प्यार करूँगी तो ही दूसरों से प्यार कर पाऊँगी, और वैसे ही दूसरे आपसे प्यार कर पाएंगे। तो सेल्फ लव इज द कार्ड फॉर यू माय मेष राशि। टॉरियंस यानी कि वृषभ राशि, क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए। आपके लिए आया है पहला कार्ड एम्प्रेस। द फीमेल्स आर गोइंग टू बी फीलिंग वेरी वेरी हैपनिंग, मतलब उनकी ज़िंदगी में सब कुछ बराबर चल रहा है। दे एब्सोल्युटली लाइक इन अ good zone. Maybe some news or from pregnancy could be there for the females who are expecting, and also about a lot of female energy is flowing this week for everybody else also who's not female, but they have this female energy in them. That's about it. Second card आपके लिए है the Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups आपके लिए कह रहा है is a wish card, so you're wishing something to happen this week for yourself. But you have to have caution about it, because this cycle is changing. So जो भी आप विश कर रहे हैं उसको टर्न होने के लिए थोड़ा सा आपको इंतजार करना पड़ेगा, because तीसरा कार्ड आया है the Ten of Swords. तो Ten of Swords आपके लिए यही कहता है कि जो भी आप विश करेंगे उसके फुलफिल होने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा। So just be in the process of all the thing that is happening, because ये जो Ten of Swords का कार्ड है, this is also the chapter is coming to an end, finishing. तो जो भी आपका चल रहा था, the new beginning will happen. So that's what the tarot cards have to say for you. So your wish will come to fruification, but थोड़े अगले हफ्ते की बात है। And keep your wives, girlfriends happy, the males, and that's what the Empress card is asking for you to do. And the angel card have to say for you is wild. Wild is telling you that you just have to start new things this week. You have to see how this whole new energy of yours is going to pan out, because कई बार हम बहुत restricted होते हैं, तो that also is one thing of stopping the flow of the energies coming your way. So just go out on an adventure, think out the box. Gemini यानी कि मिथुन राशि, क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए। मिथुन राशि आपके लिए पहला कार्ड आया था मैजिशियन का कार्ड। मैजिशियन का कार्ड है द मैजिक इज ऑल अराउंड यू, बेसिकली मैजिक इज विद इन यू। आप अपनी सोच बदलेंगे तो आपको मैजिक दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा। इफ़ यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि ये नहीं होगा तो फिर कुछ भी नहीं होगा। अगर आप सोचेंगे कि ये होगा तो वो डेफिनेटली होगा। यू जस्ट हैव टू बिलीव इन द पॉजिटिविटी एंड द पावर ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी। द मैजिक का कार्ड आपके लिए, मैजिशियन का कार्ड आपके लिए यही कहता है, बिकॉज यू हैव एवरीथिंग विद यू, यू जस्ट नो हाउ टू गो अबाउट इट, हाउ टू यूज योर पावर्स to go forward. सेकेंड कार्ड आपके लिए है द टार का कार्ड. टार का कार्ड आपके लिए यही कह रहा है कि अगर आप नेगेटिव थिंकिंग में ज़्यादा सोचेंगे तो जो भी चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, बिकॉज दिस विल बी द वेरी सडन चेंजेस हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ, सो यू नीड टू अडैप्ट दोज चेंजेस. दैट्स व्हाट द कार्ड ऑफ टार इज सजेस्टिंग यू टू डू. थर्ड कार्ड आपके लिए आया है द सिक्स ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. सिक्स ऑफ पेंटिकल्स इज दैट देयर इज सम फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शंस हैपनिंग दिस वीक फॉर यू जेमिनाइज, मिथुन राशि, जो आप करना चाहते हैं, बट यू डू इट विद द कॉशन बिकॉज ऑफ द टार कार्ड इज ऑल्सो देयर एंड द मेडिसिन कार्ड इज ऑल्सो देयर. सो यू हैव टू यूज योर पावर, acumen to do this business deal that is happening this week, so you will be in the right path for the next week. That's all the card is saying for you at the moment. And overthinking will lead to a stress because the star card is there, so do not have overthinking, just go with the flow and see how it works out for you. And the angels card for you is your soulmate. So you are your best soulmate, you know yourself better than anybody else, so you need to connect with your inner self and feel that what is right for you and take the right decision. That's what you have to do with the soulmate card. And if you have a soulmate, then you have to invest time with the soulmate, because that's how the angels card is saying for you this week. Cancer, Kark Rashi, what is in store for you? Kark Rashi, aapke liye hai the Knight of Wands. Now it seems to me that you are having the reins in your hand. Last few weeks has been a little topsy-turvy. So the Knight of Wands is saying, I think you are in command, you know what you do, how you have to move forward, because you have settling down to what topsy-turvy the week last week's has been. And the Ace of Cup is also there, which you are going to kind of propose or say your hard thing, because you're just feeling emotional after all those demanding practical business things that you had in your life. So you are going to be very, very emotional. Maybe you have to spend some time with some loved ones of yours. That's what the card of Ace of Cups is saying. And the third card is the Hierophant, which is like a commitment. You are very old school and you believe in, if I've said something, you stick to your word and it's committed. So you are into commitment zone, or maybe you committed to yourself that I want to do that. You're also, you have said something and you want to fulfill your word. So these are the cards for you this week, which is you are in command of your own life at the moment, Cancerian, which was a little out of your hands for the last few weeks, and you're emotional and you are into the business that you are want to say that I mean what I said and I stick to my words. आपके लिए जो angel card है, which is sexuality, which is wow, it's like perfect, because you need to find your own sexuality. It's nothing to do with sex, but there are certain things which you admire, which you like, and to be in your own zone of contentment, you have to find that thing. So that's for you, Cancerians. Leos, what's in store for you? Wow, Leos, आपके the Wheel of Fortune का card आया है. Wheel of Fortune is saying the time are changing for you, the wheel is changing for you, so that's a good thing. Some changes are happening for you this week. The Wheel of Fortune says, और उसके साथ में आया है the Four of Wands का card. Four of Wands is kind of saying it's a little celebration which is happening your way. And the third card is the Death card, which is also of transformation. So somewhere the soul transformation is happening this week for you, because the Wheel of Fortune and the Death both are about transformation, which is coming your way this week, the Leos, and there is some celebration. So I believe that you are kind of making amends in your lifestyle and life that you have been living up till now, which was very arrogant somewhere or the other, Leos, and you were very stubborn, but you're making some amends, which is adapting by the change, which you need to adapt to bring the celebration and the happiness in your life जो आप चाह रहे हैं. उसके लिए आपको ये changes adapt करने पड़ेंगे, Leo राशि, सिंह राशि. तो it's a good week. Nice to see the changes coming into you, Leo राशि. That's a very nice thing. And आपके लिए जो angel card है, which is healing. So what's a beautiful healing when you resign and accept the thing that they are. That's the biggest healing. किसी ने मुझे कहा था कि ईगो जो है उसको आप छोड़ दें तो आपकी ज़िंदगी में सब चीज़ें बेटर हो जाती है. दैट्स अनदर वे, बिकॉज आपकी हर चीज़ जो है आपकी ईगो पे आके अटकती है. तो अगर ईगो को आप साइड में रखेंगे, देन यू साइड लाइक टू सी द थिंग्स इन द लाइट दैट इट्स सपोज्ड टू बी, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली वेयर द हीलिंग बिगिंस. गुड फॉर यू, सिंह राशि. Virgos, Kanya Rashi, what's in store for you? Alright, Kanya Rashi आपके लिए है पहला कार्ड 3 of Swords का कार्ड. So आपका दिल कहीं टूट रहा है. Somewhere you're not happy about the thing that's happening this week for you, and you're not really there because your heart is in pain, and that's what the 3 of Swords card is saying to you. And the second card is the Nine of Pentacles. Females, you are in a very spiritual zone, spiritual mode and all that thing at the moment, because that's how you're going to heal yourself with the heartbreak which is happening. But it's also a materialistic card, so probably you're going to spend some more time in बाइंग शॉपिंग एंड एनीथिंग, बिकॉज या तो आप भगवान को पूछते हैं या आप शॉपिंग सेंटर मॉल में जाते हैं. दो ही तरीके होते हैं अपने गम को गलत करने के लिए. तो दैट्स हाउ द फीमेल्स आर गोइंग टू एड्रेस इट. एंड द थर्ड कार्ड इज द जजमेंट का कार्ड. द जजमेंट का कार्ड इज सेइंग दैट सम न्यू बिगनिंग इज हैपनिंग, सम सेकंड चांस टू लिव योर लाइफ इज हैपनिंग. होता है कई बार ज़िंदगी एक तरीके से चल रही होती है एंड देन यू जस्ट डोंट नो हाउ टू ब्रेक. So this is the time with a new break which is coming to your life. So live this break, because this is also God sent for you, and take the right decision, right call, because it's a judgment card. It's perfectly in sync with your life at the moment, Virgos. That's how the life is for you, panning out for next week, which is, I believe, is good. Nothing is too bad. At least your health should be better, because last year आपकी health खराब थी last week में. And now we see what the healing card has to say for you is how teachable are you. Which is things for you, Virgos, because everything is teaching process. So you have to open your mind and heart to learn new way of living the life, because that's how this whole process of life is all about. How teachable are you? Libra, Kanya राशि क्या कहते हैं tarot cards आपके लिए? आपके लिए है Two of Swords का card. Two of Swords का card is saying you like at a lost state at the moment. You are not emotional also. You're just wondering what next I have to do. That's a beginning, and that's happening for you, Tula Rashi, this week. And you are kind of stranded somewhere. But that second card आपके लिए आया है the Lovers का card. The Lovers का card आपको यही कह रहा है कि there will be somebody to help you out in this situation, to guide you. So don't feel just lost by yourself. Seek the help that is coming your way. You'll be able to, and if it's a business thing, you will have somebody to support you in the business, and even at your workplace, even in academics, whichever way you have to take it. The third is a card of the Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups is like there's too much on your plate at the moment. Right? Too much on your plate, so you have to take a right call, because अगर आप ज़्यादा कुछ, don't have so much on your plate that you can't eat or chew, right? So that's the saying. I mean, not right, but that's way. So आपकी जो प्लेट में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, उसमें आप सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए, प्रायोरिटाइज करिए कि आपको क्या खाना है, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. That's how the options goes for the people who are looking for jobs also. That you have too many options opening up, but then how you deal with them, how you go about it, that's what the call is for you at this week for you, my dear Librans. And let's see what the Angels card have to say for you. Angel card is saying have faith. So have faith is a very beautiful meaning and healing message for you, that have faith in whatever the divine energies are telling you to go about it. Do not question them, just go in the process and feel that you are held by the divinity. Scorpio, वृश्चिक राशि क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स? OMG, आपके लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छे कार्ड्स आए हैं. It's very emotional week for you, my dear Scorpions. I love to see these cards. It's like Six of Cups. The Six of Cups is saying that you're going to have some old friend meeting you, some old love angle could be there, but basically for old friend or bachpan ke din, maybe your siblings and all. Some old person in your business can also, meeting can be there. Maybe somebody is coming to help you in your business where you're stuck up. It's all about the old thing. Six of Cups all about, and the second card supporting that is the Sun. It's again about being old school memories and being when you were kids or somebody old that you have a huge connection with. That's about it. But it's definitely going to be amazingly super week for you, my dear Scorpions, because the Sun energy is just basking on you, and we should enjoy the Sun energy, because the third card is also about the Ten of Cups. The Ten of Cups is all about family, friends, fun. So what is all about this energy around you, my dear Scorpion? बहुत अरसे के बाद में, my dear Scorpions, you have got such fantastic cards. That means somewhere you have healed in the process of what has happened last few months on you, Scorpios, and now you've found your mojo. So this is a good week for my dear Scorpios. I love to see this card. It's a very emotional week for Scorpions, and very, very happening weeks with new energy. So just delve into this energy इस एनर्जी में जाइए और अपने लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ों के लिए शुरुआत कीजिए. That's what the tarot card says. And let's see what the angels have to say. It says home. Home is where the heart is. So या तो आपके घर से आपको मदद मिलेगी, या घर से आपको बहुत सारी खुशियाँ और गिफ्ट तोहफे मिल सकते हैं, या आपको घर की तरफ से कुछ और घर पे जाने का हो सकता है जहाँ आपको बहुत सारी खुशियाँ मिल सकती हैं. That's what the angel healing cards are saying for you, my dear Scorpios. I'm super happy for you. धनु यानी कि Sagittarius, what's in store for you? Oh. धनु राशि, कुछ हफ्ते से आपके लिए चीज़ें थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे चल रही हैं, तो क्योंकि अभी भी आपके लिए आया है the Ten of Wands. The Ten of Wands is saying that आप अपने ज़िंदगी में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, आपके बहुत स्ट्रेस है. Somewhere your health is definitely not right, and I can say for sure आपकी हेल्थ ठीक नहीं चल रही है, and उसके साथ आपका बिजनेस का स्ट्रेस भी है, काम का स्ट्रेस है, और एजुकेशनल whatever stress you are with the stress. What I mean to say is this, because the second card is also the Four of Swords. The Four of Swords is also asking you to just resign, keep aside everything else, resign, rest, and believe in Almighty. Ask for the help from the divinity so that you are out of this whole process of whatever is happening with your health and business and everything. And also the third card is the Eight of Cups. I'm so sorry, but this whole week seems to be a little sad for you, my dear Sagittarius, because it's like a week where you really have to take rest, find a new way, find a new avenue, find everything. But आप जब तक आराम से बैठ के सोचेंगे नहीं, समझेंगे नहीं, प्रोसेस कौन नहीं देखेंगे, तब तक आप उस नई दिशा पे नहीं जा सकते. So it's time to think, ponder, rest, take care of your health, take care of your business, take care of everything. Do not rush. It's a time for a pause. And the angel card for you is saying that entrapment. Well, it's perfect. You entrap by own thinking and all that stuff. You're gonna have to get out of this entrapment so that you move forward. So सलाह मशवरा कीजिए, बाकी लोगों से मिलिए, करिए, आपको समझ में आएगा कि where you are stuck and why you are stuck. Capricorn यानी मकर, आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं tarot cards? आपके लिए है the King of Wands का कार्ड. King of Wands का कार्ड is saying that you are going to be very grounded. आप बहुत सोच समझ के सारे बिजनेस डिसीजंस लेने वाले हैं इस हफ्ते, एंड बिकॉज आपके पास वो फोरसाइटेडनेस है जिससे आप समझ सकते हैं कि ये काम होगा या नहीं होगा. एंड द मेल्स आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू टेक दिस चार्ज. बट दूसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है द डेथ का कार्ड, विच इज़ अबाउट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. तो थोड़ी बहुत जो भी शुरुआत पिछले हफ्ते आपके लिए हुई थी, दैट हैज़ गॉट अ वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस. सो जस्ट स्टे अलर्ट और सोच समझ के आगे बढ़िए, बिकॉज दिस डेथ कार्ड इज़ नॉट अ फुल स्टॉप, इट्स अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, इट्स अ पॉज to think over everything, how to go ahead and do the thing. Because third card आपके लिए आया है the Four of Swords, which is about again a thinking process. You just have to rest up, do not rush into the thing, whatever you want to do. And it's also about asking the divine helps for helping you out in this thing so that you can find the right route, way to your destination. And let's see what the angels gonna have to say for my dear Capricornians. And they say you have a lot of pride. Pride होना अच्छी बात है, but too much of pride is not the good thing. So you have to lower your pride, you have to adjust and make amends, and let the people also come and talk to you, and you take their guidance or you take their help, or you just resonate, you bounce your ideas. Maybe कहीं से कोई रास्ता निकल आए. Aquarius, Kumbh, what's in store for you? Very nice. I'm so happy to see Aquarius, you're doing good. So आपके लिए आया है the Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is saying all your obstacles, all your problems have come to an end, and you are basking in a new energy, because that's what the card is. You're going to take all the practical decision, Kumbh Rashi, and that's what the card of Ace of Swords is saying. Second is the Three of Cups, which is like a meeting your friends, family and all, and some fun, some party, some bonhomie is going to happen with the Three of Cups coming your way. And the third card is the Four of Wands, which is again some kind of festivity is there, some kind of celebration is there, and it's about something coming to fruitification. You are going to have a lot of enjoyment on this. So that's what the card is saying. And also could be somebody is into looking forward to some kind of a marriage and all that stuff. So that's also on the cards for Aquarian. The last few weeks has been really sad for Aquarian, but this week seems to be pretty good. So enjoy this week and feel good and feel blessed. And the card for you from Angel is take off your mask. Take off your mask is like, okay, आपने कोई मास्क पहन के रखा था बिकॉज चीज़ें ऐसी थी और आप अपने आप को संभाल के रखना चाह रहे थे. अभी टाइम है, टेक ऑफ योर मास्क. ये कोविड पहला मास्क लगा के रखेगा, बट टेक ऑफ योर मास्क टू सी द थिंग्स हाउ दे आर गोइंग एंड लेट पीपल सी योर रियल being. Okay, take off your mask. That's what the card is suggesting for you. People of Pisces, let's see how it is. Wow. Pisces is all about transformation. The 12th sign of the zodiac is all about changing what is happening. And I believe the huge changes are coming your way because आपके लिए भी आया है the Four of Swords. The Four of Swords is telling you to resign to the Almighty and absorb the change that is happening. Go with the flow without resisting it. Second card आपके लिए Death का card आया है. Death का card is also about transformation. A lot of things are changing this week, and that's what the card is saying. And the third card is the Eight of Cups. So now again you're going away. You're similar to like a Sagittarius. I wish to say that this week is all about you need to be first and foremost you're just going to walk away from something which are not going to work for you. This is a week for all changes which is happening. A lot of changes happening this week for you. This transformation is happening, so you adapt to that thing without resisting it. That will be good for you. And you have to be a little more spiritual, my dear Pisces, because this is how this whole week is turning out to be. I wish I could have taken better cards for ourselves, but no, it's not happening. So let's see what the angels have to say for us. It says, okay, victim consciousness. Okay, perfect. The victim consciousness, because you are kind of suffering, a lot of stuff is on your plate. You're trying to struggle on every point. कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, vis-a-vis your health, vis-a-vis your money, vis-a-vis your work. So you are feeling that you are being shortchanged, maybe. So even if you're shortchanged, how do you get out of it? You just have to challenge yourself to do better. You have to find a solution. You have to find a way out of the whole place that you are stuck up. That's what you have to do, Pisces, and that's how the whole next week is pan out for all of us Pisces. Okay, this deck of universe has your back. Let me see what it has to say for us. It says, I surrender to a power greater than me. And I think it's perfect to surrender to the power. So I surrender to the power greater than me, because that's all we can do. We have to surrender to the Almighty and the Divinity, so that He or that's the one who's guiding us. That's the one who will take us forward. तो इसी के साथ में ये एपिसोड समाप्त करते हैं और जाने के पहले I would say happy birthday to all the Pisces and enjoy your birthday. Be blessed about it. And also, please, if you want to have your personal reading, to read. This is hansa@hotmail.com, and there's a WhatsApp number also there. Just go and check that out and send me a message, and I'll do your personal reading also with a fee, of course. God bless you all. Namaste, love and light.